12 Home Remedies to Cure Muscle Weakness Naturally. Muscle weakness is a common muscle disorder that mostly occurs after an intense workout or when your body doesn't have enough strength to perform tasks. Muscle weakness or reduced muscle strength happens when your body isn't able to produce muscle movement or contraction. You will know that you are having weakness in your muscles when you have symptoms like loss of coordination among the muscles, muscle spasms, muscle pain, frequent falls, prickling sensations, and twitching, to name a few. This leads to persistent muscle weakness, and there are other health conditions too that can cause muscle weakness. If you do not treat this on time, it may cause deformation of the muscles and cause a destruction to the muscles as well. Hopefully, there are medications that can cure muscle weakness, but there are simple home remedies too that can cure muscle weakness instantly. So, read on to know more about the easy home remedies for muscle. 1. Milk with licorice and honey. This remedy is very effective in curing muscle weakness, as it will help you to get rid of fatigue. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of licorice in a glass of warm milk. Mix it and have it 2 times in a day. 2. Oil massage. Regular oil massage works best for treating muscle weakness. It will help in loosening up the muscles and make your muscles stronger. Warm mustard oil and coconut oil mixture and apply it on the affected area. Massage the area for 15 minutes. Do this several times a day. 3. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which will help to increase the magnesium levels in the body and further cure muscle weakness. Pour 2 cups of Epsom salt in your bath water and enjoy your bath for 20 minutes. Do this remedy once a week. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is required for stronger bones and thus can cure the weakness in your muscles. A deficiency of this vitamin can cause muscle weakness. Expose your body to the morning sunlight for 15 minutes daily. Eat more of vitamin D-rich foods like oranges, mackerel, salmon, etc. 5. Indian gooseberries. Indian gooseberries or amla has medicinal properties which can treat muscle weakness. You can either have the gooseberries raw or you can mix them with honey to cut down the acidic flavor. 6. Bananas. Bananas contain potassium and other essential minerals that can cure muscle weakness. Potassium will help to keep your muscles strong, if you consume bananas daily. Eat 2 ripe bananas with honey daily. You can also drink a banana milkshake. 7. Exercise. Walking is one of the best exercises to cure muscle weakness. Walking, swimming, jogging, running, or biking for 30 minutes will strengthen your weak muscles. Take out time for 30 minutes and exercise. 8. Eggs. Eggs can fight muscle weakness and tiredness. They contain protein that helps in building the muscles and repairs them. Eat at least 2 eggs daily for breakfast. 9. Milk. Milk is another easy home remedy to treat muscle weakness. It contains calcium that is necessary to build your bones and muscles. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of milk daily. 10. Potatoes. Potato is another effective home remedy for treating muscle weakness because it contains potassium, which is required for strengthening the muscles. Soak a few potatoes in a bowl of water overnight. Extract the juice in a blender and have it in the morning. 11. Drink water. The main cause of muscle weakness is dehydration. Drinking water can help to strengthen the muscles and reduce muscle weakness. Drink 10 glasses of water daily. Eat more fruits, which consist of water, like watermelon, cucumber, and coconut. 12. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is an effective home remedy to cure muscle weakness. It consists of calcium that provides energy to the muscles and strengthens them. Mix a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses to a cup of warm milk. Drink this mixture daily.